Hi y'all, it is 9:38 today on a Thursday. I'm here at the car wash to clean my car, and I'm gonna give her a nice little cleanup today. I'm gonna clean her exhaust tips as well. I've tried using car soap for the inside, but it doesn't work. So the outside looks pretty good. Looks nice and clean. I just want to get this inside area cleaned. I've used Lime-A-Way, but that took it off a bit, just a little bit. So I'm using the pink stuff. So I don't know what to expect, but yeah, I'm gonna get her cleaned up. Try to get her cleaned up as possible because I got work at 12. So let's start off. So let's just go ahead and spray a little bit of this stuff. Okay. This one. I'm gonna just wing it and just wash it without gloves. So if my hand burns, oh well. But we'll go ahead and leave that there for like a couple minutes. Smells good though. Smells fruity. So. But yeah, we're just gonna give her a nice little cleanup, so I won't hold you up too long. So I'll show you the cleaning process. So bye for now. I don't know about you guys, but cleaning wheels is a hassle. You have to get through those freaking crevices and whatnot. Your hand gets tired, but at the end of the day, it's worth it. So, for me, I think. It's 48 degrees outside, but it feels like my hands are freezing. The water is cold, but let's keep on going. Alright y'all, so we are here at the gas station, so I'm gonna get my money's now. So hopefully your day's going good. Oh, that one didn't accept. Apparently this one won't take it because it is wet. So in order to use this car wash, they give you like little tokens. So they have no cash value. It's like a token for the car wash. So $1 equals one of these. So yeah, so we'll go ahead and get Zuzu washed real quick, and hopefully we'll be on our way. Hopefully we can polish her. She looks nice. But overall, as long as she's clean, that's all really that matters. So I'll get back to cleaning. Bye. So overall, pretty good cleanup. The exhausts, I think they look the same, but at least they're cleaner than they were before. Didn't really do much, but that's what I was kind of expecting. I don't really know how that works, the pink stuff, but yeah, got her all cleaned up, all nice. Zuzu clean, the wheels shiny again. I do plan on painting these wheels, the rim specifically, so it looks more better because she's got curb rash on her wheels, so I just want to kind of get rid of that. Kind of puts a bad image on her, but overall, pretty good session. My hands are freezing, especially my pinky. But let me go ahead and put this in the truck before I forget. That's what happened last time. Went to the car wash and I went to go clean my car, sprayed on the aluminum wheel cleaner, and I forgot about it. And then I remembered it while I was at work. I was like, oh snap, I left my wheel cleaner at the car wash. So I was hoping I would see it tomorrow, but you know how people are. They stole it, so it's my fault, but at least you could have just left it there. But it's okay. Your win, my loss. Moral of the story is don't forget your stuff. So let me go ahead and turn on the car. Go ahead and put it back. So that's the end of the car wash session. I'm gonna see if she dries up on the road so that way I can polish her. But overall she looks pretty clean, better than she used to before. Very proud. Like to keep her clean. But yeah, right now we're gonna head home to polish her to see if it dries up. But yeah, nice little view. All right, we'll be back. Peace. Hey y'all, so update. I went to campus because I was going to be late for work, but she didn't need. Actually, we just cleaned her up with some paper towels, and then she was just shiny naturally. So still a little bit of dust on it, but that's okay. Yeah, she looks pretty good. Got the exhaust tips done, nice and polished. Shiny. I have to clean that smudges. Overall, she is shiny. So yeah. So that's our day in the car wash, and I'm gonna have to go to pay gas later. So alright, well I hope y'all enjoyed this little vlog. So we'll be out from here. See y'all.